Yo, 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 yo. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Here. Just give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes. Yo, what's up, Fort? What's up? Anybody that's in here, thumbs up, likes, all that, comments, repost, subscribe, do your thing, do your thing. Thank you for being here. BViv, okay, 4. You should have gone all in longs and sat on your hands when you saw the BViv breakout last month. I mean, kind of did. But when it comes to perps, I'm not going to sit in a trade and pay funding for no reason, so I collect my profit and then look for a new entry. Alright, we're going to give it like 2 to 3 more minutes, and then we'll start it up. How's the volume right now? How's the mic volume right now? Mic volume good? Is the music too loud? Let me know. Okay, hold on before I even get into here. We got a question in the chat. Real talk, Latinos or Asian women? I'm gonna have to go with them Latinas, kid. Alright, let's start this joint up. What's up, what's up, what's up? Okay. So, last time we spoke, where were we? We were, say, around in here. And I said I'd come out with a video over 66 to 69 or a video around 64 to 58. We're here. Welcome to my box. Respect the box from the upside to the bottom side. Let's go into a larger time frame. Look, right now we're on a 15-minute. We're on the verge of a breakout, right? 69K obviously would be first, but your target, personally, to me, should be 75K. If you're trading perps, scale some at 70, go for a re-entry. However you want to play that, that's entirely up to you. I'll show you on an 8 hour, so it's kind of clear. So you still have this res around here. You got 147 Bitcoin sitting around 67,990. Think that gets chewed up. You're going to start seeing some real sell pressure once you start hitting 70K. Look at all that pressure up there. Right? Look at all that pressure. Now, are they real? We're going to find out. You got 296. What else you got here? 185. 323. Alright. It's not that crazy. Not that crazy. Does it all happen in one go? Probably not. Probably not. But I do think you hit 70. And honestly, I mean, you go sideways at 70 and then trend up? We'll see. I mean, we'll be watching order flow. We'll see how it goes. But the target for me personally is 75. 75 in the short term. Is this a fake out? Was this a fucking fake out? I know it looked trappy, bro. 75 in the short term. And overall, I'm looking for 85K. 85K is probably a good target. Good target. So I posted earlier on, let me lower this music a little bit. I feel like I'm talking against it. I posted earlier on Twitter that this 180, 181 range comes off a little trappy, right? It does come off a little trappy. I don't like this formation here with this candle. I don't like this candle around 170. I was even posting last night. I'm targeting a sweep of 170 so I could grab it. I want to like grab like 168.8. Like that's kind of what I'm looking for. Like 168.8. I would love this right here. Hold on, let me make this bigger for you. I would love. Did I put the right screen on? No, I didn't. Oh my god, I haven't even showed you the right screen. Give me a second. A little cooked. Let me put it on for you. One sec. I left you just fucking wondering what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright. Transition. You're just seeing order flow on your chart. Alright. I'll get back to Bitcoin after this. Honestly, fuck Bitcoin. It's all about Solana. This is fucking Solana summer, boys. Anyways. I was tweeting out yesterday and maybe the day prior, I'm not entirely sure, that I'm looking for a sweep of down here, right? Of this 170. I would love to get this little box right here. Hold on, let me mark it out for you. I would love to grab right here. This is like my sweet spot. This is where I would want to grab. And honestly, if this fails here, I'm probably gonna end up getting it. If 173 doesn't hold. Bids have been pulled, it looks like. Hold on, have they? No, they haven't been pulled yet. So, I may end up getting this if this is a failed move. If this is not a failed move, let's focus on that, right? If this is not a failed move, I personally am targeting 200, right? I'm going to scale out at like 197, but I'm targeting 200. Someone else, and they got people sitting at 195 on spot. All right. So yeah, I'd be targeting 200. That would that'd be a nice spot to just scale, maybe get a little reaction there, and then maybe be lucky enough to buy back in at 185, 189 area. That'd be cool. That'd be cool, right? I would love to do that. And also, if this does fail and I do grab that 168, 169 area, I'm not selling till 200. Right? I'm not. Because that's logically for me where we're going. If I did buy this 170, I probably would have sold the 180 because this 171 range, because I would have sold 180 because I did feel like it could get rejected. And now it kind of looks like it may be getting rejected. Let's see. Let's see. We'll be patient. We'll be patient on that. Let me bring you over. Let me switch screens real quick. Let me throw on. Where is it? Why does it have to be open for me to do it? I don't like that. Alright, it's so stupid. Let me throw this other screen up. Give you a little perspective of what I was looking at. Okay. Alright, so first off, and then there's another thing, there's an SP around like, what is that, 175.5, right? Normally SPs get filled. It's sort of looking like it may get filled, and it's sort of looking like my stop is going to get hit on this long. That's what I get for chasing something that I knew probably wasn't going to fucking end well. Right? Top ends of the value zone. Second it reached above the value, got faded ASAP. You'd be lucky if 177 holds, but kind of like that already got tested at like London close today. 176 bottomed out, right? So I don't even know if that holds if we're going down. I mean, dude, it's kind of clear, right? Like, here. Shorts have been getting activated in this range, as you can see right here. Shorts have been adding, which honestly, like, the only time you should have went short, in my humble opinion, was over 181. 180, 181. And then this is like your invalidation. Right over that 182, you're definitely invalidated. So you're not really seeing a lot of action from longs in this whole price range. They did fade the 180. The second 180 came, these Binance longs just completely shut off. And now it's just completely sideways. So time is a part of price. You've heard me say that several times. So if it does get to just hover around in this little area right here, I would expect longs to step in. I did expect breakout traders to start stepping in around this 180, 181 mark. It is a significant mark. I'll show you that on another chart that it is significant. It's a Fibonacci level. And to not see any follow through with size is kind of eh lackluster. The day's not over. It's 2 o'clock. You're still in the New York session, right? You're still in the New York session, so you got 2 more hours left in this New York session. We'll see if they close out strong. ETH is like a fucking dud. Like no performance over there. It may be signals, and you also have the ES. You have SPY selling off. So let me get those screens up and running. I just want to show you, like, from a flow perspective, right? Looking at Look at this. This is like the real size, right? Dude, there's not. Where's the big boy buys? It's not really, you know. There's no five. Like, if you've been watching for the past few days, there's been clips of 5 million, 7 million, 8 million, 5 million, 7 million, 8 million. That's not here, bro. The largest order you're seeing is around this like 1.3 million, 1.8 million. All right, you got a 2.2 million, but anything under 3 is like you know? You're not really seeing much here. So, I would take that into consideration. This shit, like, ETH is like, who just got dumped on? And there you go, 2.2 million sold at 180. Anyways, let me throw up TradingView. We'll get this on the screen real quick. So, as you can see, I have an alert. I thought I was going to wake up from this alert and basically take a long. That did not happen. You see the buy signal on the 2H. You're right around that fib, that 23.6 fib, man. And, I mean, maybe we consolidate in this range for the next 2 hours. It's totally possible. It's totally possible. Show you on an 8 hour, 8 hour. We're tapering off here. And honestly, like, here, let me draw it for you. Draw. Like, I can totally see that, right? I can totally see that. That's, like, makes all the sense in the world to me. Makes all the sense in the world to me. And I would rightfully so buy that. I'm probably getting clipped right here. I think my stop is coming up, actually. Maybe on my stop right now. Who knows? But, yeah. I don't really have much for you. I just wanted to do a quick video. To the upside, I'm targeting 200. To the downside, I guess you could see as low as 160. I don't really want to see that low. I don't want to see lower than 164.70, 164.60. When it comes to Bitcoin, if you open up a daily, I mean, we could build a nice base right here. We could build a nice little base right here. It's totally possible. And I've already told you target 70K, and the target after 70K is 75K, and the target after 75K is 84K. It's where I'm at. Any type of pullback, I mean, I'd buy it. 63.3, not bad. ETH, it's like, bro, doesn't look good. What more did you need? Like, you're really telling me that it's all priced in already? The flows are priced in already? Like, this doesn't look good. And honestly, if I had no biases, I'd say we would sweep, right? Like, that's kind of like, where's the drawing tool? Like, if I was looking at this with no bias, that's really it, right? Look at this. It's not pretty looking. It's not pretty looking. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I guess you could say it's demand, right? Well, I don't know. It's not the greatest to me. Not the greatest to me. Soul ETH. We are grinding higher, but I mean, what does that say though, right? It's not that ETH is performing also alongside Soul and they're both performing. It's that Soul is basically the only performer and ETH is a fucking dud. It's where I'm at. It's where I'm at. I'm a little indecisive right now. I took the entry to not miss out. I have a tight stop. It's one fucking point stop, so it is what it is. I really told myself I didn't want to get chopped up in this range. So, um, trying not to. Trying not to. Right there, it kind of looks like a deviation, right? Kind of looks like a deviation, and kind of looks like we're probably going to get that 170. Hopefully, we can continue higher, but I'm really stuck on that 170, that 168. It's kind of where I'm at. Let's look at some licks real quick. See what's going on there. If it loads. Oh, while that's loading, just so you understand, like every time I post this on Twitter, like, yo, you should kind of take it into consideration, right? The aggregated premium. Every time it's flipped green, it's been a fucking sell signal. Green, down. Green, down. Right? Green, down. Yeah. Where else? Green, down. Down. What do you want? What more do you want from me? This little minute one is the only one that really didn't do much. But if you see it again while you're on an uptrend, uh, I'd be cautious. Tread lightly. You know what I mean? Just keep it in mind. I'm not saying the second you see it, close your position, because I don't even do that. But I'm well aware of it. And if other things start giving me confluence with it, you know, bro, take it for what it is. I understand we all want to go to 1,000, 1,200, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? All right. There's nothing to liquidate on Solana. Nothing. So, I mean, I don't really believe that, though, but that's what this says. Because I see all these shorts here, but I guess they're not shorting with size. I guess they're just maybe shorting as a hedge. Maybe they're hedging their plays. So that's really it for me. Does anybody have any questions? If you have any questions, feel free. Ask them, and we could get jiggy. We could start answering some of those questions for you. Feel free. Give you a few seconds to type them into the chat. And then if not, I'm going to wrap this up. It wasn't meant to be like a long video. Pretty simple, pretty quick, just a short-term update, and I can't stress the fact enough. Just, yo, talk to me on Twitter. I'm there all day, every day. All I do is live in these charts. So if I'm looking at my charts, what else do you think is open? Obviously, Twitter is open. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Give you a few minutes. If nothing, I'm out of here, boys. And if we do break this, just pay attention to the 185 sell wall. That's been sitting there for a while. So if you see it get pulled, that can mean something. That can mean something. All right, no questions, no nothing. Cool. I'm out of here. I will update this whether we swipe 170 or swipe, I'd say 185. 185. All right. Because then I'll have a little bit more context of what's going on around here. Kind of in the middle, so there's not much for me to talk about other than just like what I literally just said. It's not much else to say, right? It's not much else to say. So that's it for me. Hope this was a good enough little miniature update. I am out of here.